Hi everyone, I know this is kind of a funny time to do a live video, but I wanted to check in while I had a minute. I have completed my first phase of the Clean Start weight loss program, and I did that for 23 days, and so I think I've checked in like 3 times during it, and I am officially, I'm entering the maintenance phase on Sunday. So I have today and tomorrow left, and then I enter maintenance phase. So I wanted to tell you guys about maintenance phase and tell you my update, my results, because I haven't shared that yet anywhere. So I did 23 days of the Clean Start weight loss program, and on it I lost over 16.5 pounds, just a little bit over, but I'm claiming that. So a little over 16.5 pounds in 23 days, which is super fast. And I lost 12 inches, which is really exciting too. My clothes fit better, I have a ton of energy, and I'm feeling good. I have noticed that I haven't, although I'm excited to eat some foods I haven't had for a while, I don't feel like I've had sugar cravings for a long time, which is huge for me because I am a huge sugar person. And I'm going to enter the next phase. So the next phase is the maintenance phase, where for 3 weeks I will be able to eat pretty much all vegetables except for root vegetables, so sweet potato, some winter squash, just like everything except for like high carb vegetables basically. So I'll be able to eat those and whatever proteins I want for 3 weeks. And my calorie intake will go up because I'm no longer on HCG, and I'll be able to have eggs again, which is my favorite food in the whole world, so I'm super excited about that. And then the last 3 weeks, I will start introducing foods I haven't had for a while. So I'll introduce some whole grains, those root vegetables I wasn't supposed to have in the first 3 weeks, and see how my body reacts to them. So along this process, there is still an opportunity for me to lose a little bit of weight. I have like 2 inches to be, I don't know what's happening here, 2 pounds left to get to like my ultimate. So we'll see how that goes. I've been losing consistently, so I'm sure that I will. And yes, I have 6 weeks left, but I will also be reintroducing some more high-intense workouts, which I'm super excited about because I am ready to exercise. Yeah, so that's just a little update. If you are curious, which I'm like super embarrassed about, there is a before and after photo on Vitality Natural Wellness's website that you can go look at if that is something you're interested in. Please don't tell me you looked at it. I just would prefer not to know. Not because it's weird, but just because I feel weird about it. So if you go to the website, vitalitynaturalwellness.com, and click on what to expect and then before and after, you'll see my before and after, which is really cool. And I will probably slow down my updates. Maybe I'll do one update after the first 3 weeks and then one update at the end of the whole program and let you know how it's going. Because it's going to kind of lose excitement. But I expect to lose the last 2 pounds on this last 6 weeks of the program and kind of balance out. And I'll still have weekly visits to see how I'm doing, to make sure my weight doesn't go up or kind of stay steady. I think that's what I like about the program. They didn't just abandon me after the 23 days. So I still have some support as I start adding more food back into my diet. And that is all. So I hope you all have a really great Friday, and whenever everybody watches this, I hope you enjoy it. I don't know. And I'll update in a couple weeks. Thanks. Bye.